Hey, welcome to Rum Club. Today I'm going to show you how we make a classical sour. Ours is a bit different. We're going to do a light rum sour. Most classical sours usually with aged cocktails, so it tends to be a darker cocktail. This one we're going to do with the Takamaka the Rum Blanc, so unaged. This is beautiful, grassy kind of gorgeous aguardiente or de vino notes coming through on it, and that makes a beautiful sour if you ask me, especially in the summertime, where it becomes a bit lighter. So how do we do the classical sour? The base recipe is more or less the same all over the world, I would like to say. But so we start with lemon juice. So the lemon juice is freshly squeezed. We do about 30 ml. After that, we take a bit of egg white. Egg white is about 20 ml. And then we also add about 20 ml of the simple syrup. Our simple syrup is always boiled just 1-to-1. Organic cane sugar and water, and then at the end we do take the white rum and we do just about a 2-ounce pour. For this, then, in a classical sour, we usually do what's called a dry shake. A dry shake is usually just to air out and basically get a lot of air built into the foam, that beautiful foam that comes. This is one of the signatures of a classical sour. And we do this without cooling it down because the aeration of the egg white is a lot easier if it's not too cold. So yeah, so basically first we do a dry shake, so it's a shake with no ice in it, and shake it really well. And as soon as you start feeling that it's turning more into like a foam, you can almost feel it in your shaker, then you are done. Whoa! And you serve the entire bar, apparently. Oh, beautiful. So now we get to cooling down the cocktail, so that is when we add a lot of ice to the shaker, and then we give it a shake. Oh, a little sticky one here, and it should come out beautiful, well balanced, classical sour. And for a classical sour, we usually do a low bowl. We fill it up with ice. And then we just pour it. Obviously, the classical sour usually has an orange peel on it, and Angostura bitters. We'll do that at the end. Look at that coming through on it. That is gorgeous. So, and obviously the orange peel is so we can do an orange zest on top of the entire cocktail, which basically means that this beautiful citrus oils you're going to see come in or come out of my peel, they basically hit the entire glass. So the first thing that actually hits your nose when you start getting the cocktail closer to your mouth is actually the citrus oils. And then obviously, besides, then we also do 2 to 3 dashes of the Angostura bitters on top. And then you have a classical light rum sour. And these are going to be part of our Friday bar. And I think we're going to start having a bit of a happy hour, at least for the next period of time. We hit some summer and some sunshine, so why not? Let's just have some fun. So enjoy the classical sour. Here you go.